Okay, this is the second test of this 3D printed turbine. I 3D printed some plugs and I put them in, but unfortunately I had thought that I was going to put them in from the inside out, and then I said, well, I can just put them from the outside in, and I had actually printed them too long, so I had to pull them out. But they seem to be stuck in there pretty good. They were hard to put in there. So anyhow, yeah, I just tried it and it seems to work pretty darn good. Just give me a second here. Okay, so there's a lot of leakage here. It's going to have to, if it was all hard pipe and stuff, it would work so much better. I can feel a breeze coming off it, so it's not a very good connection. But if I hold it on there, you can hear it really starting to pick up. So I'm really amazed. This thing's really working well. Anyway, no sense of blowing it up right now. I do have a tack here, but unfortunately I left the batteries in it, and I don't know if I can trust it or not. I'd say she was zinging up to at least 2,000 RPM. She was zinging pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's hard to believe it's just been 3D printed. But yeah, that's the second update. And with 3 of the holes plugged and just the one hole coming out. Now, I might make another test back for it, and that I can adjust the output pressure to allow more pressure inside the unit with the centrifugal force to maybe give it more power and stuff. But I think a lot of it's right here. I only have so much of a hole with the airline, and it's leaking terribly too. And I don't have a seal on that. I just thread that in. That's loose. I just thread that in by hand. So everything's all kind of loose and stuff, but it's all in all, for a second test, I would say it's working. It's definitely a bonus. Hard to believe that you can print something out in a week and have it running this well. It's great. All right, you all have a great night, and cheers.